So let's try out the image reporter. Let me paste the URL to an image and say, let me know more about this image. So it is displaying the image. It is the Golden Gate Bridge, and it is giving us all the items that we have specified in the agent. So this is a very nice application that you can showcase and customize it to your client or specific use case needs if you have an automation agency. Okay, so this is the web interface. We will see how we have converted this. Welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we bring you hands-on demonstrations and insights into the latest tools and trends to help you get started with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and be a part of our journey into the future of technology. So welcome to the 10th video in the series of videos using Agno library, which is a very lightweight, model agnostic agentic framework. In this video, we'll see how we can easily let the agent analyze an image and give us the expected well-formatted response. So first, let's look at the code. So this is the code, Agno cookbook getting started, 10 image agent. So this is the definition for the agent, and here we have the model. We can use GPT-4o or O-mini. The description tells what this agent to do, and the instructions will tell how the output should be structured as well. Okay, so visual analysis, how we should analyze news integration. So the tool that we add to this agent will be able to access the latest news about the image. Okay, and then the reporting guidelines. So you can adapt this prompt. You can also use ChatGPT or DeepSeek to adapt this prompt for different use cases. Okay, so here we are specifying the tool. This is where it is able to pick the news about the image. And then here we are printing the response, and the input is URL to an image. But in the Streamlit web application that we are building, we will also provide a mechanism to drag and drop so that you can upload your own image. So first, let's try this command line version. So the URL to this repo is given in the description. All you need to do is to git clone the URL. Then you will have a folder Techie Talks AI, cd into that folder and come to Agno 010 image agent folder. I am currently there. If you see, there are very few files. This one is the Python libraries needed to run this application. You don't need to install it on your machine. This is a containerized application. Then we have the Docker Compose that helps us in running this via command line and as a web application. We have the Python application here, app.py, and we have the web application that we have converted from this Python application. Then you need to put your API key in the .env example and rename it as .env. Okay, so Docker Compose, if you see, it has got two sections, app-st, which runs the Streamlit application, and app runs the Python application. So first, let's run the Python application, Docker Compose up, Docker Compose run app. Here we are providing the image, input image as a URL, and it is analyzing the image. Okay, so it is giving the output based on our instructions to the agent. Okay, so now let's see how we can run this as a web application. So Docker Compose up app-st. So here is the application. Let me paste the image URL there and ask, want to know more about this image. Okay, it is printing the image. Okay, bridge to history and beyond, the Golden Gate Bridge. So this is a very nice application that you can showcase to your clients. If you have an automation agency, you can customize this so that you can analyze the client's collection of images and produce reports. You can analyze different category of images and focus on the information that you're looking for. So let's go over the code. So this is identical to the command line code that we saw. Just a few addition of lines to handle the Streamlit web application, like the title, subtitle, and left sidebar. So here on the left sidebar we have the help items. Then this is the agent section, identical to our command line one. And now here we have the input, where you can specify the image. So you can drag and drop image as well. Okay, ST file uploader or text input. So this is drag and drop. Okay, and here we have the text input, URL to the image. So both mechanisms are there. And then this is where we run the agent. Okay, so that is it. So let's now drag and drop another image. Okay, so this is the image that I've dropped, and it is analyzing and giving the response to that image, Eiffel Tower. Now, depending on the model and depending on your use case, you can choose the model, GPT-4o mini or GPT-4o, etc. Okay, so thank you for your time. So stay tuned for the next video in the series. And this is a very nice collection that you can keep it handy, so that whenever you need, you can showcase these, adapting the prompt to your clients. So please remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.